Good evening. Today I've chosen to conduct the 3-minute step test for my Submax VO2 test. I'll be choosing this test because it'll give me the opportunity to measure this VO2 max level, and I won't need a whole lot of equipment, so we will go through this PowerPoint presentation. I'll go over the things we need, how to do it, the protocol for it, and then the result at the end. Just a quick overview. You want to make sure that you have a place to do this test free of interruption. You want to make sure for the equipment needed, you will need a 16-inch step, or you can use the steps on a bleacher in arena. Today I will use the steps in my home to conduct this test. You also will need an electric metronome to keep the cadence counts for your steps. To complete one repetition, you want to just make sure that you take off with your left leg first, step on, both feet, step off. You will do that for the period of 3 minutes. Before you take this test, you want to make sure that you stretch your leg muscles out because you can cramp up in the middle of the test. So you want to make sure that you're well stretched and you're also hydrated. Before you do the test, you want to make sure that you do some practice steps so that during the assessment you were performing the movement correctly. You're going to go for 3 minutes straight. And then you would just make sure that you follow the instructor on what to do. When you're done, you'll stretch again so that your muscles don't cramp up. So for the data collected for myself, I'm 34 years old. I'm doing a 3-minute step test. My pre-test beats per minute sits at 80, right at 88. I did exactly 102 steps in 3 minutes, and my beats per minute after that was right at 35 beats per 15 seconds, which made it to be 140 beats per minute. These are the calculations as you can see. You want to multiply your milliliters by your kilograms, and then right here we have the formula for that, so I just simply plugged in my numbers. At the end of the test, when it's all said and done, my VO2 max was sitting at 52 milliliters. So since I got 52, I rounded it up to 54. This just simply means that for my age group, I was sitting in the excellent bracket. The higher the number, the better. It just simply means that I can pull in more oxygen as I'm breathing in to get to my muscles while I'm doing my exercise. And really what that means is my muscles won't burn out so fast because, of course, it's important for you to breathe while you're doing the exercise. So this concludes my presentation.